Now, one of the questions that you are asked is to prepare the three-way order match, and then we determine how many purchase orders were included in the three records. So to start with, I want us to look at the invoices here. The question, or what we need to ask ourselves is, are all these invoices in the purchase orders? Are all the invoices in the purchase orders? And out of the invoices, were all these goods received? Were all these goods received in the invoices? So those are the questions we need to ask ourselves. And to reconcile the information, I want us to use the VLOOKUP function, which we've just talked about here. Now to use it, we can add some other columns here because we need to come up with some small table. Hold on your Control Shift with the plus key to just insert extra columns there. Then let's come up with just two columns. Let's come up with two columns so that we get to reconcile this information and see if it matches or not matching. So you can come up with two columns and the range of the data of the two columns. Before I even draw the column, let me just write there VLOOKUP. That is the function I want us to use. And we want to use two columns to reconcile invoices and the goods received, so that we ask ourselves, out of the invoices received, did we receive all those goods that relate to the invoices? Remember, this is what we pay using. You pay or you settle, you pay your suppliers from the invoice information. So you have to ask yourself, before I pay, did we receive all those goods from the goods received register? So you're just confirming, reconciling the two.